Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're back on dollar CAD, looking for those trading opportunities. Now, we spoke about dollar CAD the end of last week, looking for some further downside to the market as we believe that the Canadian dollar is gaining strength and that the US dollar could start to lose a little bit of strength. And we can see here on this weekly time frame that's happening at the moment. We've had some successive bearish candlesticks. We started off the year with a bullish close. However, it was a very sort of bearish candlestick in terms of we closed well below the highs, and we closed pretty much at the close of the previous week. We have now broken through those weekly lows, and what's important about this is that we are trending lower on the 4-hour time frame. This is going to give us our trading opportunities in line with market structure. So typically when we get this impulsive phase, what I want to be looking for is lower highs and lower lows to be forming. I then want to identify key areas of support resistance that we can look at for shorting opportunities, just to prove that that is a good way to kind of look at the market. If we take this weekly scenario here where we had that impulsive phase, if I was to go to the 4-hour and just zoom back a little bit, we can see that it started on the 24th of October. If we go to the 24th of October here, we can see around about this area down here on the 24th, the market started to make higher highs and higher lows, and we got that all the way until price found some resistance here at 129, and now we've changed. Now we're getting these bearish weekly candlesticks. We're making a downward trend here. So if that's going to continue, maybe if we drop down into sort of the 125 level, next a nice strong level on dollar CAD, then we should see this 4-hour trend continue, which could offer us some short trading opportunities. And what we've seen recently is that the market has been breaking key areas of structure. We take out these lows in here, for instance. We trade back to them, rejected initially. We then moved more towards the supply zone where we had some strong selling pressure. The market has fallen away from there. Again, we can see here we then formed a new lower low. His price broke lower, it pulled back. Where did it pull back? Pull back into the zone where lots of selling pressure came in, and we've extended those losses. So I want to be looking for something very, very similar here now. So if I actually just highlight this area in here, this is going to be my next area of interest. So between sort of 126.30 up to 126.60, this area is going to be the area that I'm focusing on for those short opportunities, because in that move down, we had a little bit of a stalling before an aggressive move. Now, this may have been just before the news announcement from the Fed, or Jerome Powell, I should say, and we saw that extension to the downside. Now, if sellers are going to continue to push prices lower, what I would expect to see is a move into this zone, some bearish price action, very much like what we had here and here, and I'd expect sellers to re-enter that market and push prices lower once again. If we don't get any kind of bearish setup here, then the market may move beyond the zone. However, at the moment, dollar is looking slightly weaker. Dollar index is pushing those range lows again. So if it was to break, I think 125 could be on the cards for dollar CAD. So keep an eye on this shorting opportunity. I hope you enjoyed the video update. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex trading content, and I will speak to you in the next video.